Birth of Venus. Look at this gorgeous, like the shell here. It does such great artwork on these. It's amazing. Look at this. I love that blue. The blue skies and the turquoise green waters. This is my favorite Argos ever. Like, and that's a huge statement because I like quite a few Argoses a lot. This takes the title. Like, you outdid yourself, Christian. This is my favorite. So this one is top notes of bergamot, peach, orange, grapefruit, osmanthus, lavender, in a heart of narcissus, jasmine, tuberose, violet iris, raspberry, rose, chocolate. Raspberry is a note he uses a lot. He's used it in a lot of his fragrances and always in a very different way. I love it with the leather in Bacio Immortal, I think is the one it is. And then he also has it in, I think it's Adonis Awakens. But he uses raspberry a lot and they're very different the way they are. And in here, it's more sweet, juicy, syrupy, fruity fragrance the way I love it. And everyone I've talked to that's tried it has also really liked it. This one is the slam dunk. And if anything, I'd be worried about it selling out. This one is wildly popular. Oh man, that juicy peach. I get the raspberry. Really get that peach in the opening. Man, I love this one.